Human Nature Magazine here with the funny Kevin Hart at Neo's Foundation. So talk about, why you're here today. You're the host, and talk about, the charity and how you're going to be funny tonight.
Tonight I'm basically here to do a favor for a friend, and bring awareness to a good cause. I think it's important when people reach a certain level of success that they don't forget where they came from and who they were. So when you have opportunities to bring awareness to special causes, like what the Compound Foundation is doing, you do it and you go full speed at it. And I think him doing this again for the second year in a row, it can only get bigger, can only get bigger. Hence why I'm here and why I'm now being a part of it, and trying to become a bigger voice with him, along with other people that are here, to make it bigger and better. That alone is worth a lot of money, man. And I think literally the word will eventually catch on, and other celebrities will start to follow suit and doing things like this.
Right. Well, when you're blowing up, you got to think like a man too. You got your stand-up comedy performance. You're on TV with the Real Husbands of Hollywood. So what's next, going into 2014? What can we look out for you?
Going into 2014, it's about being focused. Being focused, doing exactly what I did the years before, but just trying to do it bigger and better.
Right. Are you going to be hosting the Oscars one day? What are you going to do?
That's the next move. That's what I'm holding out for.
And I know you're a big sports fan, so what do we have for the Eagles for 2013?
I don't like to talk about my Eagles and Sixers, man. Okay, I gotta see when the season starts. Don't ask me nothing about the Eagles or the Sixers until the season starts. Okay, it's nerve-wracking to talk about my teams. All I want to do is just start the season and see what happens. That's all I want to do.
All right, you're spoken like a true Eagles fan.